Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today we're talking about WishSprout. Now, this is a perfect app if you want to basically sign up with friends or whatever, and you're constantly being asked, or at least around maybe holidays, birthday, whatever, something that you may want. And here's a place where you can put together a list of basically stuff you could wish for. Now, when you first load it up, you basically get your news feed. Now, my wife and I are the only two that have friended each other on here, but kind of like Facebook or any other social platform, if you added a bunch of your friends or family or whoever, you would see what everyone was adding on here. Now, right next is the home. This is where you kind of see your profile, and you can see your wish right here. I currently have 6 items on it. Surprise, surprise, pretty much video and photography related. Then you can see I'm following and have 1 follower. And so I can go to her page and also see the 3 items that she has listed here. And if I wanted to get it, then I could simply tap on it and I could say get it. And you either can choose that you got it, which will notify her that someone got it for, or you could say get from site, and then it'll basically open up your web browser and take you specifically to that product that was listed. Now, how do you add stuff onto Wishlist or WishSprout? It's super easy. You basically just scour the internet. You go wherever you want on your favorite websites, and maybe I want to add this promise filter here. I just hit my share button in the bottom middle, and you can see I've added WishSprout as one of my top favorites for app sharing. If you don't see it there, simply scroll all the way to the right, hit more. You'll see all of your apps that are available to have sharing. You'll hit edit in the top right, just hit the green plus button and move it up to your favorites list. Simple as that. And so now when I go back here, choose WishSprout, you'll see a little icon come up. You can type a note if you want and say add to WishSprout. Boom. It's all done. You can keep shopping, scour the internet if you want. If I go back to WishSprout and I go back to my profile and update it here, I can see I now have 7 items. See, it just added. And again, if I want to hit get it, or someone else wanted to look at this, they would simply be taken to the site. Now, under your search, you can search for other friends or inspirational products, so you can see what other people have been buying. You get notifications, so when people add you or if someone gets you something, all those notifications will show up here. And then you have your pretty typical menu on the right hand side here where you can add in all of your personal information. So that's taking a quick look at WishSprout. Of course, it's linked down in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Don't forget to leave a recommendation for another app I should review down in the comments, and come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.